Longer term, more M1 stuff was this past week. It was taking profits in Apple. I think it was one of these days. Might have been on Friday, where again, we're buying these names weekly. We're continuously dollar cost averaging into them. But Apple had already kind of gone on its, very easy or very macro run more recently and has started to pull in. So being that this was a profitable position, I lowered the allocation in this Apple. And again, like Shaky, you like this Mitch, as do I. This Mitch is a much bigger macro bull flag that's setting up than what Apple is showing. So put some money to work here. And same with Amazon, both very big macro patterns. Again, was not expecting this 150 point, 2-day move out of the name, but just saw it in this macro flag. If you can zoom out more, you can see, the flag that it's been forming for the better part of, almost a year now. And these both are just much more higher probability patterns to break out higher than the kind of tiny little pullback that Apple's having, and it'll work its way back to 156. So longer term basis, that was just some of the rotation I've been doing. And that's really it. That's it for the trades.